Small.
Big, big. Faith cat.
Why can't be?
Yeah, cat big. Cat big. Don't run away. Just stand there. Don't run. Don't throw away far. Throw near your feet. Hi. Yeah, she is. Thank you. Ah, good, good, good. Yeah. Near your feet, Mama.
Look at her.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Feed behind. Share the. Feed cat, Mama, before it jumps on you. Jump, cat.
Let me see.
Don't go far. Don't go far, Mama. Come back. Come in front. Don't be scared. They're friendly.
You want some more? Take.
No, don't throw far.
What's there?
And finish the bread very fast. We go. Come to the sun. Go to the sun. Yeah, go there. Stand there. Stand there. Stand there near the sun. Go inside a bit. Faith, stand there. Stand there. Go again. Yeah, there.
Mom, look at them.
Now it's okay? Finish the bread, we go. Cut big, now we go. Huh? Cut big once we go, mommy. Time is up. And that is the end. Have you finished? Why are you throwing very far? Hold with your hand. The last one, that's the last one. Now we go? We go now? Now they are so full. And that is the end. Thank you. Bye-bye. We go.